Hi, I'm Veronica, and this is Umbra. Umbra is a UV safety operations agent for outdoor work crews. Instead of a static weather dashboard, it turns changing site evidence into one clear decision. Who needs to leave direct sun first, when, and why? The workflow starts with the crew. The foreman records each worker's age, self-reported sensitivity, Fitzpatrick type, optional occupational health context, and acknowledgement. Umbra treats this as operational context, not a medical diagnosis. Next, the foreman adds a worksite name, location, and 2 photos. Umbra combines current UV index, temperature, cloud cover, time of day, site shade, and reflective materials such as glass, concrete, steel, and nearby water. It calculates a planning dose from UV index, sun time factor, cloud factor, and albedo. Here, the open sky and reflective facade increase the expected exposure for upper-level work. Then, the foreman records protection factors for every worker: clothing and UPF, sunscreen level and freshness, shade availability, and their current placement on the site image. Moving a worker from direct sun into partial shade or a canopy changes their individual risk immediately. Umbra only unlocks the morning brief after each crew member has a recorded protection profile and worksite placement. The morning brief is the operational outcome. Umbra identifies the worker with the highest modeled exposure score, shows the current zone, the shaded relief target, and a protected 20-minute rotation. It also explains the evidence, the worker risk, and the trade-off. Jane leaves direct sun first, while the remaining active crew stays assigned. The supervisor approved the scheduled break. Approval does not pretend to move a worker without a real check-in. I built Umbra end-to-end with Codex and GPT 5.6. I started in the Codex desktop app on Windows 11 and continued with the Codex coding agent extension in Visual Studio Code. I used GPT 5.6 Terra as my primary development model and Luna when Terra was unavailable. As the architecture became more complex, I increased the reasoning effort from light to high and then ultra. Codex helped me design the workflow, implement the React interface and Node API, refactor the planning engine, debug the application, and polish the user experience. Umbra makes UV safety actionable. It converts weather, site imagery, worker protection, and crew constraints into an explainable, supervisor-approved work plan.